Welcome back to the channel, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, we are going to look at how to change the default search engine in the Puffin browser on your phone. This quick setting can improve your browsing experience. First, open the Puffin browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three dots menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration page. Inside the Settings page, scroll until you find the option labeled Search Engine. Now, tap on Search Engine to view the list of available search engines supported by Puffin. After that, simply choose the search engine you want to use as your default. Once selected, Puffin Browser will automatically save your choice without any extra confirmation. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who may need it.